15 News at 10. I'm Mark McPherson. Dane County is seeing another spike in drug overdoses. Public Health Madison and Dane County issued the alert this week. It means they're seeing an increase in the number of ambulance calls and emergency room visits. Let's bring in WMTV's Shayna Najawan. Shayna, coincidentally, PHMDC partnered with the nonprofit just yesterday to host a panel on synthetic drugs.
That's right. Public health experts, addiction specialists, and impacted family members were among those involved in the discussion, put together by nonprofit Song for Charlie. Participants shared stories, gave advice, and talked about the most effective ways to assist those struggling.
What you're used to right now may be fatal to you tomorrow.
Public health supervisor with Public Health Madison and Dane County, Julia Olson, says it's much more common these days to see synthetics added to drugs.
We see the drug supply change a lot. These are street drugs. They're not regulated. Anything could be in them. There's no quality control.
The department issued an alert on Tuesday. They're noticing a surge in area drug overdoses.
The game has changed with the randomness of the drug supply, what's in them. It changes so fast and it's hard to keep up with, and it's a deadly game that's going on right now.
The spike came just days before national nonprofit Song for Charlie stopped in Madison to host an awareness event.
Everything started, pretty somber. Like we were hearing from families who, had lost their children, had lost their brothers.
After sharing stories with one another, participants discussed how to best help people struggling with substance abuse.
There's a lot of stigma and shame around substance use, and sometimes that prevents us from having real conversations about what's happening.
Experts highlighting a non-judgmental, loving approach.
Oftentimes we can walk with the peers hand in hand and share our own recovery journey. All of our recovery coaches all have our own lived experience with substance use disorder.
We can't shame people and think that's just going to stop someone from ever using drugs. That's not the world we live in. Drugs will always be here. Drug use will always be here. But what we can do is give people real information, share our experiences as a community, and try to help someone else.
If you or someone you know is struggling with substance abuse, you can call the Wisconsin Addiction Recovery Helpline at 211. Live in the newsroom, Shayna Najawan, WMTV 15 News.